This is my Audi 2006 2.0 Tfsi. Want to make a quick video because I got you guys want your car to sound a little better than it does. I'll give you guys a little tutorial. This is how the car normally sounds, right? Quiet little Audi, right? Well, I had a little problem with the clamp on the bottom of the exhaust. I'll show you guys right now. I'm gonna turn this car off. Yeah, right? Nice little quiet start, right? But if you guys want it to sound like a V8, I'll show you guys how to do that today. And we gotta go into the car. Gotta pick your car up. Alright? Pick your car up. And we're gonna go under it. We're gonna go under the car. Okay? Okay. Just under the car, you're gonna slide all the way past the transmission. Right? And what we're gonna want is you're gonna want to follow this pipe right here. Alright? Follow the pipe, and there, that clamp right there, that's what you're gonna want to get to. So the other day I was driving my car and I guess they came off, right? This other pipe, and I was like, I'm gonna fix it today. So but I like how it sounds, and now it doesn't sound how I want it to sound, so I'm gonna show y'all what to do. Like, this is, you guys come here and shake this shit off. Hold on. I'm gonna shake that motherfucker off, okay? Ah, there you go. There you go. Let's move it to the side. Okay, look, I'm gonna show y'all. This is what I did. Okay, it was stuck together. And now it's not, okay? Completely separated. And now let's check how the car sounds. Let's slide out of here. Oh, my keys are all on the other side. Okay. Oh, I was really in that bitch, though. Look at this. My body. Okay. And you'll still pass emissions when you still need to do the emission test, right? Okay. So this is what I do. Let me turn my car on now. And look what a difference it does to your car without having to pay. Wow. My boy over there working on his M3. But yeah, that's how you get your car to sound nice. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more videos. I will be making more videos. The Audi 2.0 Tfsi Turbo.